Wait.
Head high, chest up, and catch that flame, 'cause beauty is my name.
Room 35. Who's inside? We gonna find out.
What up, guys?
Bang, bang, bang.
Welcome to our crib for the night.
For the night, one night.
So, well, let me say this quick intro real quick. So, the month of February is really huge for me and Josh because it is our anniversary, his birthday, and Valentine's Day.
Wow.
So, we kind of collabed everything into one, kind of. So, this was kind of my treat to him as an anniversary gift and a birthday gift. So, we're going to take you on a room tour real quick. This is lit.
Can I just emphasize the outfit right now?
Oh.
Can that leather just be any more perfect? Oh my God.
Thanks, babe. Alright, so first walk in, right?
Yes.
You're gonna have your washroom. Do you want to do the washroom or should I?
You can do the washroom. Why don't you just go ahead and do the washroom?
Okay. So you walk into the washroom.
Bang, bang, boogie.
Turn on the light. Okay.
Ooh.
You have a his and her sink. His and her. Okay. And then we actually didn't know it came with toothbrushes and toothpaste and stuff. And then you come over here and we have a toilet. This looks like a really clean toilet. Usually I don't touch stuff, but like it looks really new.
I'm gonna eat dinner off this clean ass toilet.
Oh, it is new. Okay.
It's a brand new toilet.
Anyway, and we're not gonna use that, but it's pretty cool.
It's a bidet. It shoots water in your booty.
Shut up, Josh.
It's a bidet.
And then this is the shower, y'all. So this was the washroom,
Yes, it was.
right? Pretty lit, okay.
Lit.
Not the littest part though. I'm gonna let Josh do the bedroom area.
So if y'all follow me into where the magic happens, as you can see, we got the little floodlights. You'll see it better if we turn off all the lights, but we ain't gonna do that to y'all right quick, okay?
Yeah,
but let's go ahead and just bang, bang.
Oh yeah.
Turn on some of these right quick. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And look, we got all the lights. Beautiful. We have a fireplace that's on action. Fire. Let that be fire. The TV could be a little bit bigger, but you know what? I'm not a picky person. You know why? Because we ain't even watching TV.
Right. Turn on that. Turn on that one.
Oh.
The picture.
Even the picture lights up too. The picture lights up too.
Can we just express the mirrors right quick?
Oh, go ahead.
Mirror. Hello.
Behind us.
Mirror.
Okay.
Hold on. Mirror. Hold on.
Oh yeah.
Mirror. There's one more mirror, but we're not gonna get into that
don't show them yet.
Yet.
And then you guys see they have little swans for us. Super cute. Super cute.
Super cliche,
And then
but
we
super
each have a robe. Want to put on yours?
I'll put it on later.
Okay.
I'll flex my robe later.
Okay. Yeah, we each have robes.
We have a massage chair
Right.
just in case. You know, if Bay's hands get tired, it's all right.
Oh yeah.
I come with a massage chair.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, everything gonna be okay. I'm gonna give Bay a little foot rub.
Hey.
And she gonna get a back massage at the same time.
Hey.
It's about to be a good night. Leather pants, leather pants, leather pants.
Josh.
Jesus.
By the way, I did tell them that it was like our anniversary and Josh's birthday, so they gave us a complimentary wine.
This night just keep getting better and better.
And then we cooked some nacho ingredients, so when we get hungry tonight, have a microwave, have a fridge. Nothing's in there yet. We haven't unpacked the car.
Hey, just so y'all know, we got tunes too.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Hey. What?
Pause. Hey.
Oh, by the way, if y'all like the beat, I made it. Just so you know.
that's baby right there.
Big shouts out.
Alright, you guys, so before we hit you with the finale, like the big whammer,
Bing boom bada.
what Josh said, we're gonna hit you guys with a montage.
Y'all, for the grand finale, we about to show y'all the pool. Yeah, this that stuff right here. Walk into the pool, cause this is ours, all ours. And if you see this beautiful little plant up top,
You want to turn it on?
I'ma turn it on.
Show them.
I'ma turn it on.
Okay now.
I'll tell you what, I'ma turn it on. You get them to come out that ceiling. A waterfall. Name a better hotel room, I'll wait. We got a hot tub over here. It's made for two. It's beautiful, it's comfortable, easy, breezy, beautiful couple goals. Okay.
That was like hella funny. Oh, my turn.
The steam room?
Yeah. Oh, you a booty head. All right, you guys. So the last haymaker we have for y'all tonight
Bada bing, bada boom.
is the steam room.
You gotta cleanse yourself at the end of the night.
Like, this is insane. Honestly, this is all ours. Like, we're not sharing this with anyone. This is all.
Who else in here? I'll wait. Who else sharing this room with us?
Nobody.
I'll wait. Nobody. I want to just fall in the pool right now.
Not with my
I'm
camera.
going
You're
in.
not. But yeah, you guys, this is our room tour. Oh yeah, and we have cute little chairs to chill in and stuff.
And watch nobody swim while we do.
Right.
Yeah.
It's so dope, y'all.
dope.
My baby deserved it though.
Yep.
We deserved
Get
it.
in the pool.
Babe, no! What the? But yeah, that is the
It's the room.
room
Hey.
tour. Oh, you want to turn on the music so they can hear it? There's speaker systems in here also, y'all. So the music that he's about to play plays in our room as well as in here. This is like hella lit though. So you guys, we're about to have a very lit night. I'm very excited. Happy I was able to make this happen for my baby. He is 23 years old in his Jordan
And we
years.
lit.
Looking fine as ever.
I'm hydrated as hell.
Oh my gosh. So that is all we have for you guys. Really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. All right. Bye guys.
Move your body cause you're loving the way that you walk. Move your body if you're loving the way that you talk. One time if you're confident. Clap 2 times cause you own it. Never gave a damn about what they say. Cause you handle all your business on a day by day. Head high, chest up, and catch that frame. Cause beauty